Well, yeah, Ramsele was quite a sad experience for me. Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Seems that my road trips got me some really remote places. Places like Ramsele. Not many elevators around here, obviously, but there is an early mortal elevator at the Faxen Cinema.
Welcome to folkets of Ramsele. I really wish I would be able to show that to you. That's a Motala Hissa elevator from the 90s, apparently without inner doors. But I can't show it to you because it is not working. Parks in the basement, which I cannot reach because there's a locked door around the corner. Too bad.
Or not. Turns out it didn't work. It was switched off or broken. So it's off to the nearby office building. There is a 1974 Kona hydraulic elevator in it, but sadly seen its last light a long time ago. And what do we actually get in the end? A platform elevator that replaced the 1974 classic. Yeah, I told you, it was a sad experience. But never mind, nearby Ramsele will be a lot better.